exciting, season 4 Homeland में बड़ा अच्छा experience था. It was really a lot of fun. And to play a villain is actually particularly extremely exciting. And to go back to that now for the last and final season, I am promised fireworks. It should be fun.
I was reading about you. मुझे पता चला कि maybe because of this character or maybe you just love traveling. आप बहुत सारी countries में घूम रही थी, is it?
हाँ, मैं actually I think मैं पैदाइशी घुमक्कड़ हूँ.
अच्छा. हाँ.
Because I'm
ये लगे हैं.
Yeah, I'm an army kid. I have been roaming, from city to city, place to place since I was born. So it's in my blood. So I start getting, like travel pangs. And I start getting uncomfortable अगर मैं, ज़्यादा देर एक जगह रह जाऊँ.
Okay. अच्छा, इस कैरेक्टर की बात करें तो आप कॉप प्ले कर रही हैं, तो मतलब
No, I'm playing an ISI agent.
ISI agent, हाँ, मतलब जान पहचान भाई जो भी है, तो खोजबीन करनी होती है.
कुछ तो सिक्योरिटी का नाम है.
तो ये बताइए, अगर कोई भी एक अनजान आदमी जैसे मैं यहाँ, आपको कौन एकदम क्लूलेस लगता है सबसे ज्यादा यहाँ पर?
अरविंद.
सबसे क्लूलेस आदमी जिसके चेहरे पे ढाई एक्सप्रेशंस के अलावा और कुछ नहीं.
अरविंद.
कौन है?
ये अरविंद.
ये देखो. मैं खेलो. ये बंदा आपके सामने है.
अरे
अभी इनके बारे में 3 चीजें जरा सिर्फ इन्हें देखकर बताइए. हैंडसम वो तो है ही है.
उन्होंने बालों में तेल लगाया है.
अरे
वेरी गुड. एंड आपको मिठाई बहुत पसंद है. अरे हाँ, बोल दो ना.
इतनी मीठी.
बोल दीजिए.
शर्मा रहा है वो, शर्मा रहा है.
चाइनीज है क्या? अचार पसंद है. अचार पसंद है. इनको खाना पसंद
कुछ
है.
खाते हो? क्या पसंद है ना? मीठा पसंद है.
और आपका फोन लाल तो नहीं है? नहीं, फोन लाल है ना? अरे कवर. अरे
तो इन्हें तो कवर ही नजर आएगा ना भाई.
ओके,
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. नहीं, माय बैड.
वर्क ऑन माय एजेंट स्किल्स.
ओके, सो होमलैंड के बारे में बातें मुझे लगता है हमारे रिव्यू मैं आपसे करूंगी, बट यहाँ पे ये जितने भी लोग हैं आपकी फोटोज और आपसे सवाल पूछने के लिए बेचैन हो रहे हैं. सो ओवर टू यू गाइस. ताली बजा दो एक बार. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
एक विजुअल का से ना बिना माइक का मंगेश. विजुअल्स का देना बिना माइक का. या एक
और ये
मिनट.
केक हम इसे नहीं खिलाएंगे क्योंकि इसे मीठा पसंद है.
एक मिनट. नहीं रे. लेफ्ट में. लेफ्ट. अरे मंगे. नहीं जानते. नहीं. लेफ्ट साइड में. चलो बाइट. अब वही पे अरविंद.
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गेटिंग मी हियर. इतना अच्छा ऑफिस है, इतना अच्छा केक आपने खिलाया. व्हाट अ वार्म वेलकम. थैंक यू सो मच. जी, रेडियो के बिना तो बॉम्बे में अब टाइम ही नहीं निकलता, बिकॉज इतना ट्रैफिक है, इतना टाइम होता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए. सो आई लव लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो. आई लव लिसनिंग टू ऑल द the chit chats and all the songs, and that's my time to update myself with everything that's going on. Sorry, I'm very bad with names. I'm sorry about that, but I'll think of something later.
Okay, Dimple ma'am, first
Yeah.
of all, you're looking very pretty.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so how excited you've been a part of a 4th season and now it's an 8th season. So how excited are you for the 8th season?
Very excited, extremely honored to be back to the season finale. You know, last season है ये Homeland का. It should be a lot of fun. पहले season में बहुत मज़ा आया था. मैं when I had just gone there, I didn't know कि how big Homeland is and what I'm getting into. But after I did it and after the response, I realized how it was so loved, and it was a part that was so loved to be hated. So that was a damn kick-ass feeling, to kind of have as an actor, because people just came up to me from everywhere, at airports, shopping malls, anywhere I was, and they would just come and tell me, we love to hate you. That was just so exciting, So I'm really, that's the fun part of it, of course, and it's going to be an emotional time for the entire team. They've had a long journey. They've done 7 seasons before. It's going to be their last and final one. When they asked me to come back to it, it was a no-brainer for me. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, you have done both Hollywood and Bollywood movies. So, do you find any difference between both the movies?
जितना देखने में आपको डिफरेंस लगता है उतना ही एक्सपीरियंस में भी होता है, बिकॉज कल्चरली हम लोग बहुत अलग हैं. आर एनवायरनमेंट्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट. व्हाट वी आर एज पीपल रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन आर वर्क कल्चर. सो वहाँ पे मतलब द डिसिप्लिन एंड ऑफ कोर्स द डेडलाइंस, the way people work there is can be more organized. That's really something to learn from. And here, I miss the warmth, and I miss just hanging out and just the other stuff. It's our country, it's our land, it's our language. So one gets to experience different things in both environments.
Okay, ma'am, how do you see the OTT platform nowadays? Because you have worked in the test case before also. So what do you like to say? Because the medium have been changed.
That's right. I think it's amazing. It's a great time for not only actors but technicians, directors, writers. Everybody is employed right now. There is so much demand, that supply, I feel, sometimes can fall short of demand. It's an exciting time for everybody. Everybody is employed. Everybody is working on something or the other. As actors, we have the opportunity, like I did on the test case, to essay a story over 4.5 to 5 hours. That is not a privilege you get in the movies, and not every story can translate as well on the big screen. So for those smaller stories which need a more intimate treatment and an intimate world, the OTT platform is, I think, really the next big thing. I think it's currently the big thing anyway. So yeah.
Okay, ma'am, apart from this, any upcoming project you'd like to share?
Well, the upcoming project is Homeland, actually. There are talks about other stuff, but I'll come back from Homeland and then get into what I need to get into. But right now, I'm just all excited and geared up for Homeland.
Okay, ma'am, you will be also knowing that you have immense number of followers and
Sorry?
Immense number of followers you have in the social media.
Yeah.
Many wanted to know what's your plan of Valentine's Day.
I'll be in Casablanca shooting Homeland. जिसको मुझे कुछ भेजना है, please वहाँ भेज दीजिए. I know that by Valentine's Day I'll be homesick already, and I'll be missing Bombay, and I'll be missing hanging out here. So yeah, I expect all the love and cards and flowers and cakes, whatever. Please, guys, I'm going to be there. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.